Hello students, once again welcome to my channel as your channel. Now in today's class we are continuing vectors as we have completed in the last video. What we are going to discuss here, a vector equation of a plane passing through a given point and normal to a given vector. Means I have a plane, this plane is passing through point A and its perpendicular vector is vector A. I need to form its equation. What I will be doing, I let means this point A as position vector A, right? What I will be doing, this is given. I take a point P, random point on the plane P, and I join AP. AP को मैंने join किया मैंने. Now can you tell me the position vector of AP? Vector of AP will be position vector of P minus position vector of A. Now P is a random point. Random point means x, y, z. उसका position vector क्या होगा? xi plus yj plus zk that I am writing R. R is denoting every point on the plane, and the position vector of A is given that I am writing small a. Now can I write here this AP is perpendicular to vector n. भाई AP n cap के perpendicular है, so can I write that, इसको मैं n vector लिख देता हूँ ना, n vector. So can I write that AP dot n vector equal to 0. Now what is AP? AP is what? R minus A dot n vector equal to 0. तो यही मेरा required formula है. This is what the required formula of a plane passing through a point and having normal vector as vector n. Right? यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना भाई, confuse नहीं होना. What is R? R क्या होता है? xi plus yj plus zk. It denotes a random point on the plane. Stays equation of plane in normal form. Right? We have written R dot n cap equal to P, where n cap is any vector which is perpendicular normal to the plane, and P is what? Perpendicular distance from origin. Right? So this can be written R dot n cap equal to P. तो जब भी हमारे पास distance from origin होगा, we'll use this formula. In Cartesian form, it is Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. Lm and R direction cosines normal to the plane, and P is what? Perpendicular distance from origin. Now we have the first question. Find the vector equation of a plane passing through a point with the position vector. Means what is given to us? Vector A is 2i minus j plus k, and perpendicular to the vector. So perpendicular vector होगा, that is normal vector. I will be writing n k. 4i plus 2j minus 3k. So we have equation of plane. What is equation of plane? Is r minus a dot n vector equal to 0. R minus what is a? A is 2i minus j plus k dot n vector 4i plus 2j minus 3k equal to 0. Now I will be multiplying these with these two. So R dot 4i plus 2j minus 3k minus 2i minus j plus k into 4i plus 2j minus 3k equal to 0. So R dot 4i plus 2j minus 3k. अब मैं देखो इसको राइट में ले जाऊंगा, it will be positive. Now I वाले मल्टीप्लाई होगा 2 into 4, jj वाले -1 into 2 and kk वाले 1 into -3. So this will be 8 plus 2 plus 6, 6 plus 2 plus 3, and this is the answer. Now second question we have, find the vector equation of a plane which is at a distance 6 upon root 29 from origin and normal vector is given. Right? By distance अभी भी दिया होगा, normal vector दिया होगा. We have equation of plane. What is the equation of plane? R dot n cap equal to P, where P is the perpendicular distance from origin. Now what is given to us? P is given 6 upon root 29, right? And normal vector is given, means n vector is given, that is 2i minus 3j plus 4k. We have to put n cap. So n cap will be what? Unit vector is vector upon modulus 2i minus 3j plus 4k. What is modulus n? अंडर रूट i के कंपोनेंट का स्क्वायर प्लस j के कंपोनेंट का स्क्वायर प्लस k के कंपोनेंट कोफिशिएंट का स्क्वायर. सो ये हो जाएगा रूट 29 अपॉन अंडर रूट 29. So I will be putting these values in equation number 1 by equation number 1 r dot this is 2i minus 3j plus 4k upon root 29. This is n cap equal to t. P is what 6 upon root 29 ना. उसने d यूज किया है, मैं p यूज करता हूँ, कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. root 29 से root 29 cancel and this is the required answer. One more thing is given, also write in Cartesian form. Whenever we need to convert into Cartesian form, we'll put r equal to xi plus yj plus zk into 2i minus 3j plus 4k equal to 6. I वाले मल्टीप्लाई होंगे 2x, jj वाले 3y, kk वाले 4z equal to 6, and this is in Cartesian form and this is in vector form. I hope you like the video. I have discussed two formulas in this video. I hope it is clear. If any problem you are having, please write on the comment box. Thank you so much.